Hey, this is Jabari, your real estate agent, and today we're in Bryan, Texas. And right now we are in Greenbrier subdivision near Austin Conley, Oakmont. So if you're someone who's new and you're living or planning to move to College Station, Bryan-College Station, or move back, then make sure you like, subscribe my channel, as I always am here to give you home tours and also insights from investment. So if you are someone who are looking to move within the next 30, 90 days or so, or even longer, follow me or ask questions as you may see things and have specific questions that I may have for you. But other than that, we're going to take a look at this Reece custom home, which is the Elizabeth #2 floor plan. This is a very beautiful home, a corner lot. We're going to take a look at it and let me know what you think. All right, so this beautiful home is a 3.5 bath, a little over 3,000 square feet. As you can see, as you're coming up, it does have great spacing, two-car garage. But if you are someone who like to have guests, oftentimes uses as a game home, can be a good house. Love the numbers on here as you go up into these double doors. One side of here, welcome foyer. Love this one. If you're a modern contemporary person, this is going to be a good home for you. So right when you walk in, you're going to have your living room space. Very beautiful high ceilings, chandeliers at the top. And let's go straight into the kitchen. And you can be able to see they have the smart featured refrigerators. Love the cabinet space, custom backsplash, just beautiful all through and through. Sink can overlook the driveway. Built-in microwave, island. I just think they did a beautiful job with this one, and just going to observe this one together. You have this center piece where you can be able to do something very similar and also have some extra cabinets. And then if you go around this corner, you can be able to have your pantry. So love this pantry sliding door. You can be able to put all your lovely snacks. It has this designer wall right here, and then it also has some extra cabinet space for your food, all right behind the kitchen. And so I'm going to actually just go straight into this study room that comes off of the pantry. It actually comes off the master bedroom, which we'll look here at in a minute. So very good, decent study room. Have your black ceiling painted, customized lighting. They did a good job with this house. And as you go into your master bedroom, vaulted ceilings. That is a queen size bed. And then you walk in, you have your tub. Beautiful his or her sink. Those wood finishes just really looks very good here. And then I love this shower. Take a look at this. So instead of you trying to get in here and turn the shower on, how about you turn it on here so you don't have to do that whole hand pull to try to not get the cold water while it's warming up. So I think they did a real good job there. The black towels as you walk in, and then you walk here, you have your private stall. And then right off of that, you walk straight into your closet. So your walk-in closet, built-in shelving space. And then right off of that, you will go into your laundry room. So laundry room has your built-in sink here, have your cabinet space right above them, then have your folding area, a hanger for air dry for certain garments. But then right off of that, you have kind of a your choice. You can use this as a mudroom, but with your hooks that will cover up. But then also with it being off the kitchen, you can maybe store some additional things, kind of your choosing on that. But this here, you do have a very deep um, garage, two-car garage. And I would say this is your attic space. So off the garage, you can put in your extra, anything extra that you need to be able to put inside, you can be able to do so. So we'll go back down and go into some of the other rooms. So coming back into the living room, before we go to the other room, let's go ahead and take a look at the outside patio. Have your built-in kitchen. Refrigerator, bolted stain finishes. You have your built-in entertainment system already. In this backyard, being a corner lot, you often get a lot more yard anytime you have a corner lot. So you can kind of see over here in the Greenbriar, most of these houses have been built already. So it's not much new construction on this specific street. You do have some a little bit down the River Valley, but very nice outdoor area where you can be able to host. If you are looking at purchasing this as a second game day home, you can be able to entertain your guests here. So as we go back inside, we can be able to take a look at our bedroom that's going to be right off of the front door. So it's going to be your front yard. And then this here, I love you have a full guest bathroom, have the stand-up shower, that have real good spacing as far as the closet. I like this extra little closet space if you have kids, as you know I do. Can kind of be your little cubby hole where they can hang out. So I know my boys would enjoy that as well. So as we go back out, we'll go to the other side and take a look at this extra room here can be used for additional bedroom. In all honesty, it has a closet right off of the closet, right off the room, excuse me. You have your extra half bathroom, but you have your glass doors. You can use this as kind of, they've set it up. This is an extra room, kind of your choosing. And you have your shelves built in over here. So you can use this as an extra study room if you chose to, but kind of have that off of your bedroom. So you have extra storage space here. Built-in shelves within a closet. I love this. This is fan for Reece is a very, very nice customized home. So we go upstairs and you're gonna have your other two bedrooms up here, wood stairs, and get into the carpet. So we're gonna turn right. Right, you'll have your bathroom. White on black. Very well put together. This bedroom will be the bedroom that overlooks the front yard. Good old built-in shelves. Then we'll go to this common area. So common area is a little smaller here, a lot more room downstairs. This is gonna look the side yard, be in the corner lot, have some beautiful houses across the way. And then this was gonna be your last bedroom here. So this window is gonna overlook the backyard. And then you also have your cabinets built into each closet. So as you look at this custom home and you maybe have questions about, if this plan is still available or if you wanted to take this on a certain lot, please reach out and you can call, text, or schedule a consultation with me so that we can get more specifics figured out for you and your moving scenario, or if you're just in the area and just want to purchase something different. So please let me know. Thank you for watching all the way. And if you have additional questions or just want to see other houses, please feel free to click some of those and I will see you at the next tour.